I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure a compiler is available. Install MinGW64 or use GCC/Clang and then create a simple main. CPP. Once done, write a minimal program with int main and a return 0 to verify basics. Open a terminal or developer command prompt in that source folder so commands run where your file's live. Then run the first compile command. This confirms the toolchain works and gives you immediate feedback about syntax or configuration issues. Now compile and link. For a single file, use g++o-miprog, exe main, CPP or Microsoft CL/EHSC main, CPP. Once you have multiple sources, compile each to object files, then link them together, g++ca, CPP and g++cb, CPP and g++o-app-a, ob, o. Make sure include I and library, L paths are correct when you reference headers or third-party libraries, and choose flags like std equals C++17, O2 or G depending on whether you want optimization or debugging symbols. To finish, run the generated exe in the terminal to view output and verify exit status. On Windows, double-clicking works, but terminal shows errors. For distribution, strip symbols to reduce size or build a release with optimizations and static linking if needed. Make sure file permissions are correct on Unix. If something goes wrong, focus on one key troubleshooting step. Unresolved symbols or missing DLLs usually mean wrong include /library paths or an omitted library on the link line, so recheck I, L, and linking order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.